Mommy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, are you dancing? Are you looking for music? It's Tita's eye touch. Oh, you're dancing now. Oh, look at you, so pretty. Oh, you dance so pretty. Hi. I don't see you. Come here. Can I have a kiss? No? Oh. Can I please have a kiss? Please? Please. Josie, where's your nose? Where's your head? Huh? That's your head. Where's your belly? No, that's not your belly. Where's your belly? Where's your nose? Yeah, your nose. Where's your teeth? Your teeth, yeah. Oh, you're dancing now? Where's your eyes? Eyes. Where's your hands? Yeah, your hands. Your fingers. Are those your fingers? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Dance, dance. Where's your belly? Belly, that's your belly. Your head? Where's your head, Mama? Your head. No, your head. Is this your head? Okay, you're listening to music. Oh, are you dancing? A ver, let me see. Let me see. Okay, there you go. You can open it. Oh, did you open it? Let me see you do it again. Open it. Oh, you know how to do it. Bravo. Okay, bye. Josie. Josie, bye. Can you say bye? Bye. Can you give a kiss? Mwah.